Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I am going to show you how to delete voice in Elevenlabs. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, right now I'm on my Elevenlabs home, and on the left, you will see so many options, but if you are on free plan, then you can only add 3 voices. So if you want to delete any old voice, then add a new one for that. Just click on voices. Now select the voice that you want to delete, then click on view. Now you will see an option to delete underneath right here. Click on it and click on remove voice. You can see that voice is gone. That's how you can delete voice in Elevenlabs. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Also, if you want to know to add voiceover on CapCut PC, then watch this video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I